Hi again, Year 2. Here we are, Week 2, Lesson 2, Tuesday. And today we're going to be using our number facts to 10 and 20 in number stories. So to start with, we're going to play Hit the Button to get us all warmed up. Don't forget to fill in your scores for Tuesday. Remember, you've got try 1, 2, 3 and 4. And if you can, work out your daily total at the end. So today, go to number bonds and you can do addition within 10, or if you feel like it, addition within 20. Good luck. Now you need some square paper and a pencil. We're going to think about the pairs of numbers that total 10. So in the middle of your piece of paper, do a 10. In a cloud, I usually do it. We'll try and think of spider's legs here. And try to think of all the pairs of numbers that make 10. So you could have 8 add 2. Remember, you can always just swap the numbers around. You still get the same answer. 6 plus 4 is 10. And that means that 4 plus 6 equals 10. How many different ways can you think of to make 10 using single digit numbers? Let me give you a clue. There are 11 different ways. Can you get them all written down? Did you get them all? Okay, this time we're going to put 20 in the middle of your piece of paper. So turn over, draw your little cloud around the number 20, and at the end of each spider's leg, you're going to write an addition fact. You might want to work systematically. Look at the pattern. What's happening? This way you can make sure you're getting all of the combinations and work your way around. Let me give you another clue. This time you should be able to get 21 ways to add 2 numbers to make 20. You could always find one more way than the actual target number. Have a go. Right, let's get using some of these number facts in our number stories now. And we're going to start telling stories, number stories about elephants, one of my favourite animals. So, our elephant story is all about 10 elephants. But what sums can we make with these elephants? What sum can you see here? When I look at it, I see that 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now this is a number sentence, but we could make up a number story using the numbers and the elephants. We could say something like, there were 8 elephants eating bananas, then along came another 2. How many elephants is that altogether? And it will be 10 elephants. Now because we know that 8 add 2 equals 10, we also know that 2 add 8 equals 10. And a number story could be, there were 2 elephants having a bath in the waterhole, and along came 8 more. How many elephants are in the waterhole now? Get the idea? Now you could also think of some takeaway stories. If we know this, thinking about family facts and how these numbers are all connected, you should know also that 10 take away 2 equals 8. So a story here might be, there were 10 elephants in the waterhole and 2 of them went off eating bananas. How many elephants are left in the waterhole? And the answer would be 8. Last but not least, there's another takeaway sum, another way in which these numbers are connected. We should know that 10 take away 8 will equal, did you get it? 2. But we want a number story to go with it. So have a think, what could it be? I think mine would be, there were 10 elephants marching in a line and then 8 ran away. how many were left behind. Can you see? They need to be quite short number stories. You don't want to go on and on and on. Just give the main facts and make it into a problem. Okay, let's think about hedgehogs in our next number story. Here you can see 20 hedgehogs. But look what happens on the next screen. So if there's 4 there, and there were 20 altogether, how many must there be here? We can count in twos to check, look. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now you need to find your sheet, number stories, and it's got a cute little hedgehog on it. And you can see there I've written the numbers that were in that number story that you saw on the screen. 4, 16 and 20. So now on the sheet you need to think of 2 addition sums using those numbers and 2 subtraction sums using those numbers. So if you chose the 16 add 4 equals 20, what would the other addition sum be? Have a think and write it down. And then think about your takeaways that are connected, related to these 4 numbers. Remember, you have to start with your biggest number first with your takeaways and choose one of the numbers you could take away. So the answer is the number you haven't used yet, the 4. Okay? And you should be able to think of another takeaway sum, starting with the biggest number 20, just using the other 2 numbers. I wonder what you got here. Okay. But then underneath there, you need to write down in words a number story to go with those sums which you've just made up. This is the last sheet you'll need today, and here you get to pick your own 3 numbers that are related or in a family of facts, and you should be able to make 2 addition facts from them and 2 subtraction facts just using those 3 numbers. Then write a word problem to go with each sum. And look what it says, they don't have to be about hedgehogs or elephants for that matter. I look forward to reading those. Have fun, boys.